reveal a number later, it's going to be about 20 minutes from now. I'm telling you, when you hear this number, you're going to fall off your chair, because I did. Okay, myth number 6, you get banned easily. I got some opinions on this, but have we had anything banned since you started here 2 years ago?
No accounts have been banned.
Okay, now I got wood here, so I'm going to touch wood. I don't want to create any. It's very simple. Listen, if I come into your house, so Thomas, if I came into your house and you're like, hey, come on in, and then I come in and I start pushing stuff over and I start throwing stuff against the wall and I take your fridge and I throw everything out, and you're like, hey, can you please take your shoes off? I'm like, nope, I won't take my shoes off. How long before you're like, get out of my house?
Immediately.
Immediately, right? Like, get out. It's their rules. It's their house. The people that get banned easily are the people, remember that visual with you. They're the ones walking in, throwing their crap around, being dysfunctional. You would kick them out of your house too. We don't do that. 2 years, we've invested millions upon millions of dollars, and we've advertised in all kinds of industries and spaces. Play by the rules. So we show you what those rules are. So we show you the exact systems that we use. Last but not least, oh my God, I hate this one. Okay. This one drives me nuts. I love organic traffic, don't get me wrong. But organic traffic is free? Organic traffic is better? BS. Let me explain to you why. I'm about to, right now, as I film this, as I make this, as I do this with you today, I'm about to kick off into a massive organic marketing strategy for myself and for Learn. I've been putting it off for years. Why have I been putting it off? Why is it that I will work with Thomas 15 times before I like to do anything organic? Because it takes forever. So actually, as we're doing this, we were just talking before we started this presentation that tomorrow I have to film 100 videos. That's like a true story. Like it's like I'm going to be in this room. I'm filming 100 videos that will be videos for organic that will last about 2 months, and then I will film 100 more. And then 100 more. The maximum, Thomas, you've ever asked me to film is maybe 4 or 5 videos every month. As I'm even telling you this, I want to cancel my organic shoot and just be like, hey, Thomas, spend more money. Like, I'm doing it now because I want to get out in front of people. I want my message out. But guys, it takes time. Okay? Time is money. If you're going to do organic, yeah, I love organic. It's great. You need to be diligent, dedicated, and persistent for 3 to 6 months, and you might get a small trickle of traffic that is completely controlled by Facebook, by Google, by TikTok, by whichever platform you go on. Ads? We control our ads. Thomas and his team are the ones turning on, off, budget, this, that, do this, target this, show this to this person, don't show it to this person. Fully in our control. You have no control on organic. I'm not knocking organic. I just want you to understand there's no comparison. So there we go. All of these crazy myths that might have been keeping you back from Facebook ads have been debunked. So can I get a Facebook in the chat box right now? If you are pumped and excited about doing Facebook ads, if you're sitting there thinking, oh man, I'm in, this is it, this is what's right for me, give me a Facebook in the chat. Come on. All right, there we go. Love it. All right, well, listen. We are going to show you right through the process. Now, at the end, like I told you, we're going to share with you also the ability to join us in an amazing program we've created. The investment is so low, you're going to run to it. But I do want you to start understanding a few things. Number one thing I want you to understand, in the last 2 years where Thomas and I have worked together and invested about 10 million of my money just in the last couple of years in Facebook ads, this is what Thomas has always said. 80% of success is in the prep. And the 20% is in the technical. But you keep worrying about the technical. It's actually the least impactful because Thomas shows you, especially in your course, the click here, click there, click here, click here. But the preparatory work is where we win the race, okay? So the big secret about creating successful Facebook ads is you need to say the right thing to the right group of people in the right way at the right time. Sounds hard. Say the right thing to the right group of people the right way at the right time. How am I supposed to know that? Well, using this 5-step framework that Thomas put together. Thomas, how long have you been using this 5-step framework now?
The entire time I've been here and longer than that.
So years, right?
Years,
yeah. And this is something you've also taught. How many people would you say you've taught it to? How many media buyers would you say you've taught it to?
In our Agora bootcamp, we had 25 media buyers that I trained.
And here alone, I think 5 or 6 different people that you've trained. So this is something that is syndicating out and is being tested and worked. And so I build this up, right? And I can hear you saying,